Okay, I promised my imaginary friends that I'd drive over the bridge seen in the motion picture Hangar 18. And I've almost had an incident in the process there too. Let me get into the right lane. Good to my right. Okay, there's the turn that the guys made. There's the turn that the guys made. Here's the bridge that they went over. I'll go over in the other direction to show you the way it was shown in the motion picture. It's 409. 407. That's a heck of a turn. Okay, I'm clear behind. Ah, they're open. I should ask them what they have over the counter. Okay. Coming up to a stop and stopping. Okay, I have good visibility. Oh, jeez. Wait for the white truck. Go ahead, white truck. Okay, I have good visibility left and right, and we go. Okay, here I am driving over that bridge again. Oh, jeez. That's an odd, fortunate place for that car to have broked. Okay, green light. Good. Okay, look, here's that bridge that you saw in the motion picture. I'll get into the rightmost lane. Okay, here's that bridge you saw in the motion picture. Going over the railroad tracks. Oh, jeez, I could have pulled into the... And no. Okay, so there you go. Not significantly different as seen in the movie. Oh, here's that water place. I got a refund from them once.